Hello friends, welcome to ARP Creation. Today I'll show you the new tool of Photoshop CC 2019. It is called the frame tool. It is simple tool which is already added in Adobe InDesign software. It contains two options, rectangular frame and circular frame. So firstly we use the rectangular frame. Just select the rectangular frame tool and drag it. Then place any fixture on the frame. We just place this fixture on the frame. Just drag and drop on this frame. It will automatically place on the frame. Now you can resize the fixture by selecting the fixture and press Ctrl P from the keyboard. Then press Alt from the keyboard, then resize it proportionally. You can select the move tool and move it on which you want to show. You can select the frame by selecting the frame icon from this layer. Then you can increase the frame size proportionally or height and width. You can replace this image by clicking on replace context option. Then place it. Okay, it will automatically replace the image. Now we will see the circular shape. Just delete it and select the circular frame tool. Then select shift from the keyboard. Then you will see a proportional circular frame shape. Now you can place any fixture if you want. We'll place this fixture. Okay, so here I have shown you the new tool of Photoshop CC 2019. So thank you all. Good day.